Merry Christmas, everybody. 100K watch party. It seems like it. Seems like we're about to grab that $100,000 Bitcoin. Hello, Dr. Techno. Merry Christmas. James, Merry Christmas. Seth, Merry Christmas. Jacob, Merry Christmas. Nell, Merry Christmas. Savage, Happy Holidays. I'm doing well. Hopefully you're doing well today also. Kush, is Santa coming? Seems like he was trying to a second ago. Seems like he was. He might still be coming. Let's see. Can we take a look at HBAR, XRP, and DOGE? Alright, Savage. We'll take a look at all those. I need to move this over just a touch. There we go. It's a lot better. Yeah. Mark, Merry Christmas. Richard Day, Merry Christmas. H-Bar, my baby. Okay, alright. NBD. Kush, L1 Meme Gaming AI. What would you guys buy in 2025? No idea, honestly. I just look at charts. So we got XRP, HBAR, DOGE, Solo, Sushi, BLZ. Sushi, BLZ, ton. Are you in any trades? I am currently in 2 trades. I don't know why. Every time I go to write a Z, I start writing, you want IOTA? Merry Christmas, Dr. Techno. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. I appreciate you. Let's see, IOTA and ton. All right, I wrote them down. I cracked open a holiday beer. ADA. Alrighty. All right, everybody. Welcome in. Merry Christmas. I hope all of you had an amazing morning. For those of you who had kids, I know that your morning might have been slightly better than everyone else's. Did you post trades in Discord? Not today. I've been with the kids all morning, so no, not at all. As expected, today was a very, very low volume day, so I didn't really feel a need to post a trade setup because I didn't think it would go anywhere. Market's kind of been bleeding out for the most part, so I'm still waiting for volume to come in before I even care to post any type of trade setup, because with very low volatility, there could be a dump. So that's why I didn't post anything, because it's like, could go either way. I want people to enjoy their day with their family, and then, I'll go live in the middle of the day and ruin it. So, anyways, so looking at Bitcoin right now on the 15-minute time frame, it does look like our strength is uptrending, but our CCI indicator is giving us a little bit of a sell signal. So that's one thing we do got to worry about. We're going to pull up our simple moving averages and not worry about the EMAs. You are above all of your simple moving averages on Bitcoin. Our 100K mark, I do have it as an alert, so we will be alerted if we do hit a 100K. 15 looks good. Your 1 hour looks darn good. Looks absolutely amazing. No bearish divergence yet. Looks like it's just chugging along, trying to go up there. 4 hour, you're in the bullish control zone. You're not overbought, nothing. You're just fighting with some moving averages. The only downside I could see is the fact that we just got a death cross on the 4 hour, and we're about to hit that 100 simple moving average. So hopefully Bitcoin grabs a little bit of strength and just pushes right on through. Hopefully that's the case. Checking out your daily, you're coming out of neutral territory. It looks like we're about to flip bullish on our CCI indicator, so things are looking really good on the daily. We could see a lot of upside. I called it yesterday. I'm seeing the possibility of 103,954. That is a possibility. Otherwise, we're looking for 101,444. Till we get there, I think we still have room to go up. I do. I really do. So that's what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin right now. Nothing to be alarmed by, but it does seem like a lot of alts have bled a little bit. Currently, the trades that I'm in, I'm just going to dive into those because one of them happens to be a request, but the other one, I am in Blur. BLUR, Blur. My stop loss is below this low over here, sitting at 2606, but my price target is a common retrace based off the breaking of this downtrend. Common retrace would be this 50% to the upside, and I'm looking for 33.98 or 33.8. 33.8 is the target, and we're gonna see if we can get it. But it's a 15x long that I'm currently underwater on. I'm gonna show you right here. Oh, I need to log in again? Really? Jeez. Sheesh. They're making me log in. Okay. Close enough. Why not? Put my authenticator up here. Hold on. You want Tau also? I'll mark it down. I'll mark it down. So you can see right here, I'm currently down on Blur 37%, but my other trade I have open is BLZ. So BLZ, we're going to dive into that one next. Yeah, so BLZ here, which I can also mark this off the list. Hold on, wife is calling me, gotta answer. Hello? Hey, what's up? I just started the live stream, what's up? Oh shit. Alright, I'll bring him over. Love you. You can wait till 2? Okay. Alright, I'll be there by 2. Love you. Bye. Alright, looks like this is going to be a short holiday stream. My wife forgot some pills that she really does need for the baby. I will have to drive them over to her parents' house, so that's fun. Anyways, we're inside listening in the drive. Like up, Merry Christmas, God bless, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yo, what's up, ibuprofen? Hello, hello. Alright, so the other trade I got into was BLZ. It does look like the BLC sell-off might be ending. So I am in on this trade as full speculation. Very low amount is in this trade, but it's a 15x long. My stop loss is extremely tight at 5658. However, I am looking for a common retrace. Just the common retrace, where we could see this thing rally up 94%. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. I will, Mark. I will. Yeah, it's just wife forgot her pills. You have to take every so often, so it's just it's rough. Rough that I'm gonna have to get on out of here within the hour. So yeah. Maybe I'll leave the stream on and you guys can hang out for like a half hour while I'm gone. I won't do that. I won't do that at all. I'm going to try and blow through these requests for you guys. And, yeah, I'm going to have to call it early. I'm sorry, everybody. But it is a day for family. So, BLZ, common retrace. If the selling is over, we're looking for a 94% move to the upside just as a nice common retrace. And as we can see from other tokens, kind of like whatever this thing is, Bond, Common retraces are a big deal. Family first, brother, not a worry. Yeah, I don't. If she didn't forget her pills, it wouldn't be a problem whatsoever. So common retraces are extremely important, as we can see from right here. Common retrace 50%. This thing is up 108% today on the common retrace, and it's still not done yet. So this is kind of what I'm banking on when it comes to that trade for BLZ. So that's the idea. We'll see if it plays out. We will see. But right now it's just looking a little rough out there for BLZ, not gonna lie. Waiting for that move. But yeah, there's no like special anything. There's a little bit of divergence here on the 1 hour, but there's nothing to call home about. It's just super oversold. You're expecting the selling pressure to end because now Binance has finally delisted the asset. All right, let's jump into Solo. Solo. I don't usually look at it on Bybit. Awesome. Gate.io? Gate.io. So Solo, just like yesterday, we are waiting for this thing to break out. But positive on the 4 hour, it looks like you just retook your 50 simple moving average. Good for Solo, especially on a day like today. So still waiting for that breakout, but price target right now, you're looking at 48832. Still looking for it. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour looks solid. 1 hour looks like you're about ready to start rallying. Maybe on the new day, maybe tomorrow, who knows? So right now, nothing on this chart is indicating you're going to dump, but you never know. Low volatility. Sometimes they like to clear out a lot of leverage before they start allowing the move to go. Sort of like my Blur trade. They are really bleeding me out over here on Blur, aren't they? I'm down 45% on the trade. Yikes. Yikes. Still a little ways away from my stop loss, but the deeper it goes, the worse it feels. Ugh, we're down 4%. Hold on, I gotta look at that. No. I guess I should have gotten out up here. What are we doing? No idea. The 50% retrace is sitting right here. We hit it once. What are we hitting it twice? I don't get it. Anyways, moving right along to Sushi. Sushi. Jeez. Sushi. Alrighty. So Sushi over here. You had a beautiful breakout, but man, they are really holding this thing down, aren't they? Aren't they? The price target is still sitting at 185, but it looks like, I don't know, they need all the confirmation in the world out here, especially on a holiday. Sheesh. I feel like it's all those people not celebrating Christmas that are just like, yeah, sell. They're not paying attention. Just sell. Yeah, it's easy to short. Just sell it. That's what it feels like right now. Anyways, it's looking like we're getting a deep retrace here on Sushi. Holy. Let's actually bring it up in the other direction. See if we're going to go in for the 886. We're coming close to that 786. If we do get the 886 at 151.8, that might be the best opportunity to get in. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 hour. Your 1 hour is just downtrending. You're right now fighting against your 200 simple moving average on the 1 hour and your 50 on the 1 hour. That's too bad. You don't want to lose those levels. So hopefully Santa can step in here as he's going in for his nap after a hard night's labor. Just pump the markets a little bit. Just do it a little bit. Ooh, that's probably the problem. 4 hour just got a death cross. Yikes. Now we're below that 4 hour 200 simple moving average. That's too bad. You are in limbo. You're expecting to go up because you did break resistance. However, it looks like the traders are going to make you work for it. So we will have to wait and see on Sushi what it decides to do. But I would think if you get that 886, that deep retrace, that might be your best opportunity to jump into this trade. Sitting down here at 151.8. Yeah. And then your upside potential from there, you're still looking at 185. Still looking at it. Let's see how it pans out. I am leaning bullish though, so I do have a slight bias, just so everybody knows. I heard some community is planning on a ping in on aping in on Sushi. Well, that's cool. I mean, there's tons of upside, so it would make a lot of sense if they decided to do that. Let's check out XRP. Look at XRP. What a beautiful back test. Not once, but twice. Now you're getting the breakout? Oh, man. XRP doing things on a holiday. Holy moly, that is beautiful. If you're scalp trading this, I mean, sure, you're still looking for that 13% upside, but right now you can very realistically see this thing go up anywhere between 3 to 5.6% on a nice scalp trade. Target's still sitting up here anywhere between 13 and 20% from when we looked at it yesterday. So what is left on that? We're looking at possible 15%, but on the shorter side, 9.21%. This looks very good. Looks very good on XRP. 15-minute looking real solid. 1 hour. Whew! Looks beautiful. Just got to maintain above your moving averages. That's it. Your 4 hour. 4 hours in the bullish control zone now. You're in limbo. You're right in neutral territory. This could go up, could go down. You're expecting the lower time frames to push you up, though. So good things out of XRP. I like to see that. I like to see that. Let's check out HBAR. HBAR. Alright, HBAR still on the breakout, still moving. You're just consolidating right now. Right now, as long as you stay above 28,727, you're good. I mean, your real target is going to be anywhere between, what is this, 46.44 and 55.66. So hang tight if you're sitting in HBAR. Just hang tight. Allow it to do its thing. HBAR looks really strong. Really, really strong. A little bit of a downtrend here on your 4 hour, but I think you're going to catch a lot of bids on that 50 simple moving average or sitting on support at 28,727. 1 hour, you're pointing straight down. Maybe you lose your moving average. Maybe you don't. Who knows? Merry Christmas, Jason. Merry Christmas. 15-minute. Looking pretty solid also. Looking pretty solid. All right, moving right along. By solid, I mean it's still possible you come down here and touch support. So don't get me wrong, you could come down there, but if you're already in the trade, because we were talking about this the other day before the breakout, you should be fine. Should be fine. Dogecoin. Gotta keep my eyes on the clock here. Alright, Dogecoin, you have bearishly backtested twice up against that 34-cent level. Looking kind of rough. That's not a very good sign. I do like that you broke out of this downtrend. You're trending up, which is a really good thing. 15-minute, little bit left to be desired. Your 1 hour is trying to reset right now, so let's see if the reset actually works. And we do get that break to the upside. Noted, we get that break to the upside. It's probably because Bitcoin's going up. So keep that in mind. Your 4 hour sitting in neutral territory while bouncing up against your 50 simple moving average, trying to reset the indicators. Not bad. Not bad. We could see Dogecoin break out. Is anyone having issues selling assets on Coinbase? I don't know. I didn't even try. Didn't even try. But if you're having issues selling on Coinbase, yeah, that could cause a lot of sell pressure. It's pretty normal. That would cause a lot of sell pressure. So hopefully not. Hopefully not. A little bit of panic ensues. People just start selling off assets. It's a whole conspiracy. It's a whole conspiracy. All right, moving along. Dogecoin, right now, currently we're still looking for the upside target at 37,284. Still looking for that. It does give me a little bit of worry because you have overhead resistance that you have not been able to break out of, as well as this demand line pushing you down. So if you are not capable of going up, guess what? 18 cents is the target. Boxing Day sale? Boxing Day? It's funny. Sorry to say, guys, if I can't get to your coins today, just ask for them in Discord. When I get back from giving my wife her pills, I'll get to your charts in Discord. Yeah, just my wife left to her parents' house. I'm gonna have to get her pills within the next 30 minutes. So, sadly, this is gonna be an extremely short stream. Maybe I'll go live when I get back, but I don't really want to do that. I want to knock out as many coins as I can, so if I can get to your render as well as the PENGU token, I will. But we got a few more to get through before we get there. Alright, let's check out IOTA. This is one that actually nobody asked for ever. So, interesting that we're getting asked about IOTA. But let's dive into the TA here, because seriously, nobody asked for it. You're sitting in limbo right now. You had this distinct downtrend that you have broken out of, which is great. You still run the risk of getting a back test. Still run the risk of getting a back test, but the positive here, I don't believe you've hit a common retrace. You have not. So you're still banking on the idea that you're going to get a common retrace coming up to 44.18. So let's see if we can get that sooner than later. Your 4 hour looks pretty decent. You are above your 50 simple moving average, but you're bearishly backtesting the 200. Checking out your 1 hour time frame, you just lost your 50. You're backtesting the 200. You could come as low as that 100 if this uptrend wants to stay intact. But since the uptrend started, if they wanted to be really mean to you, IOTA could come as low as 28.97. But that would be a really good opportunity to jump in because you'd be at the bottom of the range. And that would be kind of acting as a formal backtest. Let's check your 15 minute. 15 minute does not want to stay down here. Looks like it wants to go through a trend reversal. So if you are currently looking to jump into this trade, here's your demand line you would like to break out of. Noted, you could just go up and test it, which would be about a 5.27% move to the upside. So currently sitting in limbo. If we look at where this thing could stop right where it's at, because you are getting a 50% retrace. So hopefully it stops there, then it starts moving up. Shorter term target you're looking at would be, if it does hold support, or not support, but if it holds this level, you're looking for about a 14.5% move to the upside for IOTA. If things start getting a little more freaky deaky, you could see a 21% move to the upside. So that is IOTA right now. Hopefully you don't come in for that 88% retrace, or even worse, come all the way down to test support at 21.73. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully we catch some bids here. That would be ideal. Moving along. Ton. Ooh, Ton's doing something good. What time is that? So Ton token. You had this distinct downtrend. You are broken out of it right now. Thing I dislike right out of the gate, you're so high in that bullish control zone, it's basically saying your rally is coming close to an end on this move up. So you might come back in just to test some support. Let's go into your 1 hour. 1 hour time frame's coming down hard on your relative strength. You're about to mosey into that bearish zone, thinking there's going to be a trend reversal. So right now you really got to focus in on this trend line here, which is coming straight down. If you manage to break above that, that is fantastic, because price target, ooh, that is out of play. Price target would be based off this back here, as well as the common retrace. Oh, you already hit your target. That's probably why you're pulling back. Anyways, let's see what the common retrace would have been. Yikes, we hit the common retrace. So downside is capable. What you're really looking for out of ton is a higher low. It's really what you're looking for. But you see how that common retrace really played a role here? We slowly grinded our way back up to it, and now we're starting to roll over. Common retraces are very important to understand. So yeah, right now I'd like to see if it holds support outside or even coming down to this blue line here, sitting at 5627. If you can hold either one of those levels, you have a lot of upside ahead, because then the trend just continues to the upside. So you would be looking at this sort of like this, where you, oh, lines up perfectly. So let's just say ton comes down to 664.6. Then we could see it rally. From there, 12 to 17%. So that's what I see out of ton token. I'm thinking this is a false breakout. We could be coming back down. We could be. Just looks a little bit toppy. Looks like some people are going to be taking some profits. So that is ton. Now we're looking at ADA. So ADA chugging along, but finding a lot of resistance at this 94.06 level. Tons of resistance there. The nice part, based off this move up, you're still holding that 50% level, so it's still completely in play for you to see a lot of upside. Right now, in the shorter term, you're looking for 5 to 8.5%. Fib Sniper, hello, welcome in, dropping the presence. Love to see it. Love to see it. We check in and see how much I'm losing on Blur. Blur's getting a little bit better. A little bit better. Not by much. Not by much. A little bit better. Bitcoin coming down. Ugh. Don't like that. Anyways, ADA on the 1 hour. It's probably bleeding out with Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin can't decide if it wants to hit 100K or not. Oh, it's a tough time in the market today. Not very much volume. But the volume should be coming back tomorrow. So be ready for that. Be ready. Gonna get a bunch of Wall Street Christmas bonuses coming at the market. Here's our current downtrend. We are looking to get that trend rolling up. I would actually be looking for ADA to come up. This 5.88%. Hold above that 94, so then we can start talking about this 105 again. But right now, it's fully in play to get to that 105. Fully in play. Then, of course, if we look at that common retrace thing, common retrace is getting you up just below that 105. So, yeah, I'm expecting ADA to get a nice move up to at least 104.63. At least 104.63. That's what I'm looking at. That's pretty solid. I like it. I like it. USDT. SDT. There we go. Metis. Let's check out Metis. If I'm flying through these a little fast, sorry guys. I do really want to get through all of your requests. It's just, I also know I'm on a very short time frame. So, I'm sorry in advance if it seems like I'm not explaining a lot. And I'm just kind of going through it. God damn it. Alright, cool. You bounced off some support. Love to see that. See how this trend line's looking. Beauty. 1, 2. Okay, great. So I would expect this to break out. I'm looking for that common retrace. You still have 16.49% to the upside. And let's see how it coincides with another level. Ah. Well, there's your two targets. Anywhere between 12 to 15% upside on Metis. Looking pretty solid. You're uptrending on your relative strength on the 4 hour. So I'm thinking that's going to carry you straight on up. Looking good. Looking good. 1 hour's curving straight down. So let's say you're trying to get into a brand new trade here. You would be looking to try and jump in anywhere around this 50 to 382. You're very close to the 50% retrace. I would kind of just wait for it. It looks solid though. It looks solid. Then you do have this local level of resistance right here. Oh, that looks gross. I'd put it right there. Right there. That makes most sense. So if you can break this downtrend, it looks really good for that upside move. And you're going to be aiming pretty much for that 12%. Also lining up with your 1618. So a lot of things converging around this level. So I would think that you're going to get to that 5144 level. That is Metis. That is what I'm seeing out of it. Looks pretty good. All right, PENGU. Damn, I'm cutting it close. All right. PENGU, great move. You got the 39% upside. Beautiful. Didn't even know it did this. Now you're consolidating bullishly. Let's check out the 4 hour just to make sure. Yeah, you still got room to move to the upside. It's not bad. Not bad. Very nice move here. However, I would be a little weary out of this. I would guess that you'd get a 50% retrace based off this move because nothing ever goes straight up. So I would be expecting it to come down here to this 32743 level. But if you held that level and you start rallying up, fantastic. Take it to the house, baby. Because, I mean, you're basically just going to be looking for all-time highs and then some. But no, this thing looks great. I love it. PENGU could have a ton of upside ahead of it. I guess if it decided to rally from where you're at, you're looking at 18 to 30%. If it started getting crazy, maybe you get 67% upside. PENGU's looking pretty darn good. Looking pretty darn good. Now let's check out Render for Tech Service. My bad. Tech. So checking out the Render. So on ooh. Oh, Render's looking strong. Holy, wait a minute. Render might be the play here. If you can hold above 332, the Render looks really strong. Even on just a common retrace, Render has a lot of upside. A lot of upside. Huh. Render, I would be expecting the breakout, and I would be expecting this 19% upside move. Render looks really solid. Wow. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your 1 hour again. 1 hour is resetting its indicators while pressed up against resistance. This is a very good sign. For the scalp trader out here, you could be looking to enter right now. Huh. Could be looking to enter right now. Thank you, man, and Merry Christmas. Connor, no problem at all. No problem at all. I was planning on being live a bit longer, but wife literally called. On a scalp trade, you're looking for 10 to 15% upside on Render. Render looks great. Render looks like it wants to spread some holiday cheer. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So that is Render. Alright, surprisingly, we actually got through all of the requests, and I have just enough time to get my wife her pill. So, everybody, I do greatly apologize for 2 reasons. Reason number 1, Christmas Eve was not a members-only chat. I had it open for everybody. My bad. Number 2, I do have to cut this stream super short. Only 36 minutes in, but not much to talk about price action wise. Prices are literally just kind of bleeding out right now due to lack of volume. That's really all it is. There's no volume. If there's any sell pressure, it brings the price down. That's normal. expect prices to go up later tonight into tomorrow. I would be expecting that. Maybe we get some weird quick dip down to try and take out some longs, but I think we're gonna rally into the new year. So hopefully you guys are ready for that. I'm gonna be here every day for that, and luckily the wife will be at home, so I don't have to worry about getting her pills or anything. So there's that. Anyways, yes, I will see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a members only chat, just so you all know. And for those of you who have been having issues that wanted to become members, there's a link in the description right at the top where you can actually click on that and become a member. So there's that. Anyways, Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you all for coming out. Thank you for those who hit the like button. You guys are absolutely amazing. And I will catch you all in Discord. If you have any requests still, drop it in Discord. I will get to it tonight. I will. All right, everybody. Take it easy. Much love. I'll see you tomorrow. Deuces, everybody. Deuces.